I moved to Cumbria about 5 years back, and I come from Aberdeen, which is another energy hotspot. And I was pleasantly surprised and found it quite reassuring that the mindset for collaborating in Cumbria was so welcoming and refreshing. Cumbria is of course associated with its beauty, the landscapes, the tourism here. But what most often is not spoken about is the fantastic manufacturing and engineering sector which works behind the scenes. It's only when you go into meetings and gatherings like that at BECBC, you come across the sheer variety and scope of organizations which contribute to that sector. From 1 to 2 person organizations to large multinational corporations, people working together genuinely, especially in the nuclear sector. New nuclear and within that SMRs, for example, are key components to the clean energy solutions for the future. Cumbria has been UK's region for nuclear excellence. And if we can use the advanced technologies, the supply chain, the manufacturing capabilities and the knowledge infrastructure which we find in Cumbria, we could play a significant role in the manufacture of these SMRs, the designing of these SMRs. That will be a big win for all involved. Not just in the UK, but in the global space where we could start exporting some of our ideas too.
Britain's Energy Coast Business Cluster, also known as BECBC, are a membership organisation that has operated in the nuclear sector for decades. That is dwarfed by our members' expertise and experience, which is centuries worth in the nuclear industry. So if you're looking for a nuclear supply chain that collaborates and delivers solutions, let's have a conversation.